Hi guys, Lens here. So in this video we are going to see if we can fix the issue where you're not receiving WhatsApp call, and I'm going to show you how we can fix this, right? So the options in which you want to look at to fix this is that first you want to look at your do not disturb. You want to ensure that this option is off. Then you want to head over to your settings. You want to go to apps. Then you want to go to WhatsApp. You want to go to notifications. You want to allow notifications. Then you want to go to permissions here, and you can see that we have a lot of different permissions that are not allowed. So you want to allow SMS, phone, photos and videos that will be useful. Also you want to allow the microphone because that is needed to answer the call, and also camera if you want to do a video call. So you want to allow those. Music and audio, you can also allow this one as well. Now you should be able to get calls from WhatsApp. There's another option in which I want to show you in the lock screen option, right? You want to scroll down and you want to go to show alerts and notifications only. Here you want to enable WhatsApp, ensure that WhatsApp is enabled. This is the apps that will show content when the screen is locked. So when the screen is locked like this, that will allow WhatsApp to show you messages and also phone calls. The next thing in which you want to do is that you want to restart the device. If you have not restarted the device within the last 2 weeks or so, restarting the device can solve this issue. Now the device is restarted, we are going to try and make a call. We're connected to the Wi-Fi, so let's see. So it's ringing there. So let me just take this off and let's see if it will ring on a black screen. So as you can see, it's ringing. So guys, that's how you fix the WhatsApp issue where you're not seeing the screen lighting up. I hope that this was helpful. Do like, share and subscribe.